Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Spotify playlists to Rekordbox. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. The first step is to open up your preferred web browser and go to rekordbox.com. Download the software on your computer through your preferred method. After you set up and install Rekordbox, sign into your account. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you might notice that you have a lot of options regarding transferring playlists from other streaming services like iTunes, Tidal, and so on. However, you might notice that Spotify is nowhere to be listed on the left-sided menu. As of 2022, there is no official or legal way to transfer your Spotify playlist to Rekordbox. As you can see, as I'm showing you on screen, in 2020, Spotify increased its DRM protections on songs, so it is no longer possible to transfer Spotify playlists to Rekordbox, and this is done by Spotify itself. There is no workaround to this. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no official way to transfer Spotify playlist to Rekordbox. I hope I was able to help you clear up any questions you had surrounding transferring Spotify playlist to Rekordbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.